This kind of plant is a miracle for your garden. If you need to improve your soil, reduce water usage, reduce weeds, attract pollinators, and even reduce erosion, you need to plant some beans or peas. These miracle plants are all legumes. I stuck the seeds in last winter. They're really easy to grow, and I'm not going to eat these plants. While growing, these beans protected my soil from the baking dry days in our low rain climate here on the Central Coast. See how soft my soil is? Also, the beans shaded the soil so there was no sunshine on weed seeds. They couldn't germinate. No weeds. If I'd planted them in the ground, they would have helped prevent runoff and erosion when we do get rain. Notice my beans are flowering. That means they are also attracting pollinators and other beneficial insects. This is good news for everything in your garden. But the actual miracle of a legume cover crop is hidden here underground. See these bumps on the roots? These are nitrogen nodules. Legume plants pull nitrogen right from the atmosphere and make it available to your plants in these nitrogen nodules. When we leave these roots in the soil, the next plant we put here will access that nitrogen for its own growth. It's a really powerful natural fertilizer. Now, before these flowers become beans, we're going to cut the plant off. If you let the plant grow until it sets fruit, whether that is beans or peas, the nitrogen will be depleted. Remember, leave the roots in place when using legumes as a cover crop. So what to do with all these leftover tops? You're just going to chunk them up and leave them on top of your garden soil. Here's where the miracle cycle completes. We're going to leave these in the garden. As these leaves decompose, they will shade our seed and seedlings. They will help reduce evaporation, and they're going to block the growth of additional weeds. We have lots more to share with you about home gardening. Like and follow to keep updated.